College students are bombarded with so much during the semester, from studying to football games and let's not forget politics. There are a ton of issues that you care about, so let your voice be heard. Election Day is Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, so make sure to check your voter registration today. Go to vote.elections.virginia.gov to register, update your registration, or to find out where your polling place is located. The deadline to make any changes to your registration is October 15th. Remember, you may only vote where you are registered. If you attend college outside of Fairfax County, you can vote absentee by mail. Apply for a ballot to be mailed to you at vote.elections.virginia.gov. All you'll need is 5 minutes, your driver's license or DMV-issued ID, and your social security number. Using your residence address at school, apply now and the ballot will be mailed to you. When you receive your ballot, follow the instructions carefully and provide all the required information on the back of the return envelope. Great news, you don't need a stamp to mail it back. The envelope must be postmarked on or before November 5th and delivered to the Office of Elections before noon on November 8th, or it won't be counted. Another way to vote is early in person. Starting September 20th, you can use a trip home to vote at any Fairfax County early voting location. All you'll need is your school photo ID or other acceptable form of identification. Your vote matters. Contact the Fairfax County Office of Elections with questions and visit our website for sample ballots and the dates and locations for early voting.